Campbell soup, I am coming for you. This is probably one of the best soups I've ever made. Mm-hmm. Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
What are we doing? Because you just said you're freezing cold.
I'm freezing because we keep our house very cold.
Yes.
Yes. So, but we have something yummy and delicious coming up, which is a creamy roasted vegetable soup. Think flavored tomato soup. Rounded with some bell pepper and some onion and a million other things. And
not quite a million.
Okay, well, just a million bowls.
There wasn't a million bowls.
Okay.
There wasn't. No, yeah.
It might even be one sheet. One sheet and the Vitamix.
It is. Is
what it will be. So
to get it to that creamy texture, we're going to add our cashew cream to it, and then some vegan cream cheese that we got from Violife. And then we're going to have your favorite thing in the world.
Grilled cheese.
With what kind of cheese? Please share.
Oh, got it.
Test, quiz.
I forgot.
Time's
it's a smoked Gouda, pre-sliced.
Yes.
But I forget what's the brand. You're the shopper, and I'm terrible.
Fired. It's been a while since you've been fired.
He keeps taking it out of the packaging, so I don't actually see the packaging, so it makes it hard to remember what it is. I just know that it melts really nicely.
It's follow your heart. Follow your heart. Follow your heart. Smoked Gouda. So
yes.
Anyway, okay, let's make some soup.
I don't know about you, but as soon as fall gets here, Katie and I love soups, and this one comes together so quick and easy. I'm going to start off by just getting my tomatoes chopped in half. I'm going to use the whole Fresno pepper, seeds and all. Then I'm just going to quarter the white onion. I'm going to go ahead and get our red pepper chopped up, and I'm going to chop the top off the garlic. Get that all coated in a heavy dose of olive oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Then I'm going to throw those into the oven so that they can roast. So while the vegetables are roasting, we're going to go ahead and get started on the cashew cream. I know a lot of people like coconut milk. I just really prefer cashew cream because I think it's a little bit more taste neutral. So we're just going to get that all blend up in our Vitamix, and it makes such a nice creamy texture that's going to be great in the soup. So the vegetables look amazing, and we are ready to get this all blended up into a soup. So I'm going to get all the vegetables into the blender. I like putting the tomatoes on the bottom because they're kind of the softest and most filled with liquid. And then just get all of the other ingredients in. If I can share a little bit of learning experience, it's not a good idea to squeeze the garlic into the blender when it is still ripping hot out of the oven, as you can tell by my face. Little bit of a finger burn going on. So with everything in the blender, we're just going to blend that on high for about 20 to 30 seconds. Once that's done, we're going to get a pan warmed up over medium heat, add the soup into it along with your vegan cream cheese and cashew cream, and just whisk that up over a medium heat until everything melts, and it is ready.
I think you did.
I think I did. Okay.
We have soup. It looks really yummy.
Yes, it does.
And Katie can't have tomato soup
Look at how gooey it is.
without grilled cheese.
And I put a little special something. We'll see if you can tell what it is.
Yeah.
I'm going to dunk.
Well, I'm going to go in for the soup first.
So good.
So put your sandwich down. I really want you to try the soup on its own.
Oh.
Because this is...
Mr. Normally 10 pounds of croutons in soup. That's good.
Campbell soup, I am coming for you. This is probably one of the best soups I've ever made. And extraordinarily simple. That's our new word. We're not going to use simple or super. We're going to use extraordinary.
Oh.
Yeah.
You've used really a lot in the recent past.
Oh, really? Just very, Everything went on.
I'm getting a fresh basil.
On one tray, into the oven, into the blender. We let it blend for a decent amount of time, so it got really smooth. But this
came together really easily.
Yes. Okay, now I'm ready for the cheesy part. Now that we're just about done, I'm gonna jam this whole sandwich in my mouth. Yep.
Yeah.
Wow. I should have done that first.
I did.
FOMO.
Where are the napkins?
This is really, really yummy.
Lipstick's gone, sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is like perfect fall, midweek, easy dinner.
Yeah. And then you can freeze whatever's left or
There
just
won't be
eat
any
on
left.
it. Eat on it throughout the whole week. This was
good. And so, like, all real food.
You know what's in it.
Absolutely.
You know what's
no
in
chemicals, no nothing. You season it to your choice.
Yes. And I look at the sodium content of most soups.
There's no...
honestly, I seasoned it with some salt and pepper.
But never,
at the most,
not at the level
At the most, a half a teaspoon to maybe a teaspoon. And there was...
And there's many, many servings.
Yes. Make your food. You know what's in it.
This is good.
Yes.
Except for the processed cheese. But that was really good.
Well, you know.
We're balancing it out. It's all balanced.
Yes. So, thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed watching this. If you have, hit like and subscribe. Tell us if you want us to make something for you, because we absolutely will, and tell every human being that you run into in the world that we're awesome. Something like that.
That's a big ask. But I guess if you don't ask, you don't get. So
that is right. So,
be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants and grilled cheese and tomato soup.
Yes, soup, wintertime. Yes. See ya.